Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, just I think I started the normal reaction concept. Yeah, good afternoon. Am I right? Just started normal reaction. Okay. And unfortunately, we stopped the class in the middle. And shall I continue that normal reaction concept, Nana, today? Okay. All right. Come to here. Yes. Good afternoon. And here I'm taking a block over the surface. Right? And this is the surface what I'm taking. And here on the surface, if there is a force, on the contact surface, today we are discussing about normal reaction. Okay, this concept here we are discussing. If there is a force on the contact surface, then according to, better I write full form here, according to Newton's third law, okay, normal reaction is developed between the surfaces, okay, between the surfaces in contact. And more important, you have to remember, I don't know whether you understood this paragraph or not, okay, provided there is a force on the contact surface, otherwise there will be no normal reaction. Number one, you have to keep in mind. So it is a must condition. If there is a force on the contact surface, if it is existing, then only normal reaction is developed. Okay, no problem, Nana. Is developed. Keep in mind. Okay. Otherwise, it will not be developed. I will ask. See how many understood this point or this point here in the class. Okay, I will ask one example. There will come. Means it will be a small litmus test you are. Okay, and number two, remember the normal reaction means normal force. Of course, represented with the letter N. Okay, is always perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. This is also important point, and I will check how many understood this point here in the litmus test. So always perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. Whichever the important things we have to keep in our mind, those I am underlining here. Okay, to get more clarity. And in this case, if I ask, after placing, no need to apply any external force. Obviously, the weight acts in what direction? Always downwards. This is mg towards the center of the earth. This is mg. So already some force is there on the surface. So immediately surface generates, creates some normal reaction. In what direction? Perpendicular to the surface. Surface means blue line. Perpendicular to the blue line, you will get a force like this. Okay, it is exactly perpendicular to the blue line. Okay. So here altogether you are getting it is the normal reaction and that is mg. And here when a block is placed on the surface means when a book is placed on a horizontal flat surface, the book won't fly, won't slide. Means net force is equals to 0. That's why here F net equals to 0 along y-axis. Okay, so along y-axis net force is 0 means are they equal or not? N and mg. Okay, what do you say? Whether good afternoon, whether they are equal or not? Yes, they are equal. Exactly. That's why we write here N is equals to mg. Okay, so keep in mind, note on a flat surface, N is always equals to mg. Okay, this is one point. So all these points, how you understood? Now be ready, okay, to say the answers. Okay, be active in this chat, not WhatsApp chat. Okay, how good are there in chatting in WhatsApp? That much good. You should be here also. Okay, why? Because every time I'm finding very less people are responding here in this chat, Zoom chat, whereas you are very active there in WhatsApp chat. Okay, those who are active there, I'm not seeing here. Okay, example Sharath with 5 emojis. I did not see him here, Mr. Sharath. Okay, like one example I told. So be ready here. Okay, Mr. Sharath Kumar, here, one question. I don't know whether you are here or in YouTube live. I don't know actually. Or on the bed. Okay, here, this is one question. Okay. I am taking. Yesterday I already told this type. There only exactly I stopped the class. This, I take another color here. This is the wall, what I take. Good afternoon. So I take the pink color as ground. Okay. And this green color as wall. Okay. And it is the black color is the block. Okay. That's it. It is just placed at the corner, thrown to the corner. Like yesterday I told physics book, thrown to the corner. Now the question is, in the figure, okay, don't ask, where is the figure, sir? Here, this is the figure, black color. In the figure, the question is, find, sorry, the normal reactions acting on the block. One by the floor. 1 minute, Nana. In the meanwhile, you try to get the answer. By the wall. Try to get the answer here. Yeah, I did not go anywhere, Nana. I am here only. Srivijaya and Ishan. Here, just I asked you one question. For that, there is no response, but you are asking about me. Where is the response? The normal reactions acting on the block by the floor and by the wall. No one responded here. Yeah, now I got one answer. Yeah, by the floor, very good. By the wall. Guys, respond. Okay, Lakshmi Gayatri, correct only. Then by the wall. Tanisha, correct. Fast. Srividya. I'm here only. Where are you? This time I'm finding out I'm not finding out any response. Others, Amok. Okay, not coming by the wall. Okay, what about by the floor? Amok, what is your answer? Okay, first one correct. Mr. Amogu, I think you did not understand the 2 points I said here on the left hand side. The second one wrong. Okay, without wasting the time here, I will try to explain. Yeah, good. Now Lakshmi Gayatri is correct. Very good, very good. So Lakshmi Gayatri understood the concept why what I explained here. mm, in the direction of weight. And 1 minute, Nana. Again, I will put just 2 minutes in mute. Perpendicular to the wall, direction towards west. Arudra, I think Deepali 2, second one you are not getting. Okay, no problem. By the floor, correct only. Srivijaya. Yes, yes. No problem. I will explain, Nana. One, I think you got the answer. No need to say thank you. You are right. First one is correct. Yeah, yeah. First one is correct now. This is the weight. Since weight is the force acting here, if there is a force on the contact surface, since weight is acting, immediately normal reaction will act here perpendicular to the floor. This is the normal reaction by the floor. Let it be N1. First question, which is equals to mg. So answer here, first one, n1 is equals to mg. At least a few students got the answer for this question. That I'm coming to here, Nana. Second one, by the wall means actually it is in contact to the wall. But problem is here towards the wall, there is no pressing force. Means no one is applying any force like this, pressing this book towards the wall. I'm not applying any force here. Just I place at the corner. If I am not applying any force, if there is no force on the contact surface, no normal reaction between them. Now you understood this concept? Since there is no force, no normal reaction. If there is a force, there is a normal reaction. Now is it clear, Nana? All of you? Means single shot, two birds. We can get the answers for the two questions. And we get more clarity here from the first point. Yeah, good. So here straight away I say, Mr. Amog, what you said, I think there will be no normal reaction. Is it correct? Now what do you say? Yes, yes. So second one, don't say it will be perpendicular to the wall. You are just looking the second point. Perpendicular to the surface, of course, towards the body. This is if you say N2, obviously the answer is wrong. Okay, means you are focusing only on the second point, not focusing on the first point, whatever I wrote here. This is what I said, litmus test. Manibabu, are you there? Uh-huh. But not responded till now. Again, having lunch. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, okay, then no problem. Second one here. Towards right, there is no force. Thus, there is no normal reaction at the wall. Now all of you got more clarity or not about the normal reaction, Anna? Don't say all the times perpendicular to the surface. Yes, perpendicular to the surface if there is a force. Otherwise, normal reaction will be there or not? Yes. Okay. That's why don't say in all cases perpendicular to the surface. First check, like wait, any normal force is there or not. Then say perpendicular to the surface. Means first importance goes to this first point. Second importance goes to the second point. That's why first is always first. Second is always second. Okay. Don't take the second point. Don't grab the second point as the first point. First is first, second is second. Okay, good. Right. Now here, suppose if I ask one question, like this is like a windshield of a lorry, flat surface. Okay, this is windshield of lorry. Okay, for cars, actually windshield will be slant, a bit inclined. That's why I took the lorry here, windshield of lorry, or our red buses of government Telangana. Okay, so here TSR, and then here suppose one angry bird or one block flying and strikes this surface like in the Angry Birds movie. Okay, Angry Birds stick to it means strikes the windshield. Okay, immediately after striking here, what is the normal reaction? I'm asking. This is the block of mass. Yeah. Okay, the normal reaction. Mani Babu, तोप है 100% wrong, Mani Babu. Yes, fast respond. Normal reaction. This is the surface windshield. At least one I will satisfy. At least one response, please. Correct response. Amaya, thank God. Yes, Lakshmi Gayatri, you understood this concept. You are right. Others? No, no, no. The thing is, we have to focus. No, good. Ishan, why you put the question mark? Your answer is correct. Doubtfully, you told the answer. Doubtfully, you said the answer for the doubt. No doubt, you are right. Your answer is correct. Yes. Others, I got till now only two answers. Lakshmi Gayatri and Ishan only responded here. Their answers are correct. Manibabu, I think, joined late. That's why he did not catch the point properly. He catch the focused on the motion of bird only, not a normal reaction. Okay, nothing to say here. Here, actually, the force acting is only the weight, Nana. Weight always acts downwards. Okay. And here, by the surface, if possible, normal reaction should act, if it is so, normal reaction should act perpendicular to the surface towards the body like this. Okay, this is actually second point, but first is first only. First point, provided if there is a force like this on the block. Is there any force like this? Is there any force on this block? No, there is no force perpendicular to the surface. That's why no normal reaction perpendicular to the surface. That's it, over. Why you are waiting to respond? Very simple. Okay. So here in this case, F applied is 0. That's why there is no normal reaction. Directly I can say here there is no force. Perpendicular to the surface. Surfaces in contact. Thus, there is no normal reaction. That's why in offline classes also, to rub the board, the master hold the duster with the hand and try to put that on the board by pressing that duster on the board, normal to the board. Then only normal reaction will be generated. Then only he can rub the board. Okay, simply place the duster on the board and simply he leaves that hand, then immediately the duster will fall down. Okay, without normal reaction. Such a type of story I explained here. Okay, and I don't know, still I have some doubts. So third example, whether you understood it properly or not, whereas it is very important concept for us, particularly in this chapter. So I'm asking one more question here. This is roof. Okay, this is the surface like roof. And here I put the block like just like how we hang the fan, ceiling fan. Like here, placed one block to the surface. And here, keep in mind, I am not applying any force in this direction towards the surface. Quickly the answer you respond. How much quickly you can respond, that much quickly you try. What is the normal reaction? Fast. Very good. This time Manikanta correct. Quickly others, why you are waiting? Ah, okay, no problem. Yeah, Tanisha correct. Lakshmi Gayatri, what is this, Nana? Normal reaction I'm asking. Ah, yeah, now you correct it. Right, good. Others. Ishan. Aicha MS. Ah, Ishan, correct. Simple. I kept one block in contact to the surface. Ah, sure. In contact to the surface means this is roof. In contact to the roof of a building. Okay. And I did not apply any force on the block towards the surface. Means in this direction, upward direction. Then what will be the normal reaction? I am not applying any force. I am not applying any force. Then what will be the normal reaction on the block? That is the question now. Yeah, what will be the normal reaction? I am asking. Yeah, good. Amog this time responded. HMS, it will fall down correctly. What about the normal reaction? Ah, yeah. Srilekha Alluri. Yeah, first time I'm seeing this name. Very good. Anyway, it is a good term. Oh, Badudhai. Deepali, correct. I almost shouted here now. There is no force perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. Thus, there is no normal reaction. Same question, Mr. Aditya MS. There is no force perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. Thus, there will be no normal reaction. Now you understood? Ah, okay, right. Yeah, good. So here, in this example also, since there is same explanation, there is no force perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. Here, Tapan Lakshmi Gayatri did a small mistake. She thought that there is a force perpendicular to the surfaces in contact, or weight acts downwards, sir. So weight is perpendicular to the surfaces in contact, sir. Correct. Towards the surface. Towards the surface. Any force is there? Ah, no force. Therefore, towards the surface, there is no normal reaction. So from these two examples, particularly what you understood, if I want some normal reaction, what you have to do? If I want the normal reaction, what you do? You apply the force or not? Yes, yes. We have to apply. We must apply. Correct. We must apply some force to create the normal reaction. Very nice. Good answer. Okay. That's why here, if I want the normal reaction, now in this case, I think you can say the answer. This is the wall. Yeah, yes, I'm applying the force. Yes, correct. I'm applying. Now this time I'm applying the force. This is the block. Okay. Of course, weight acts downwards, but that does not create any normal reaction. Why? Because normal reaction will be in this direction, perpendicular to the surfaces. So surely I require towards the surface some force in this direction. Then only normal reaction will be created. Now check here. Force applied is equals to 20 newtons. Do you say normal reaction 0? Ah, good. Since f is not equals to 0, n is not equals to 0, and exactly, yes, exactly. F is equals to n. Why? Because these two are in opposite direction. Okay, and there is no motion in this direction. That's why n is equals to 20. Yes. Now you understood this one, Nana? All of you. Yes. Even here also, I think in the next example also, to create the normal reaction, we have to apply the force. Okay. That one I am taking here. Exactly. I'm taking this one. Yes. Good. Now I am applying the force here on the block. I can't keep it in contact. If I leave, it will fall down because of weight. That's why I should apply some force in this direction. Okay. That force, suppose F is equals to say 10 newtons. What will be the normal reaction, Nana? N equals to 10. And in what direction? Downwards or upwards? Normal reaction. Ah, yes, good, down. So normal reaction will act downwards and that is equals to 10. Right, good. This time it is not equals to 0. Good. I think followed the basic concept of normal reaction, Nana. Okay. Yes. So first thing, when the normal reaction is generated. Second thing, if it is generated, in what direction it is generated. That also don't forget. It always acts perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. Don't forget. Okay, Nana? Now, here to get more clarity, just one simple question. Try to solve it here. Yeah. I think you know something about the inclined plane. This is suppose one inclined plane. Usually in the schools also we put the books on that inclined surface only and we write. Okay. So this is one inclined surface of a table and it is the angle of inclination theta. Let it be like some 30 degrees or you take it as 60 degrees. And over the inclined surface here, this is the block I placed. Okay. And weight of the block is equals to say some 200 newtons. Okay, that's it. I am not applying any force. Okay, find the normal reaction here and its direction also, Nana. If normal reaction acts, I think Amog, you immediately kept your leg in dal. Even Lakshmi Gayatri also. Okay, this is the way of trapping the student. How the master or question paper setter traps the students and grab their own marks instead of getting +4. Okay, grab the marks, taking 1 mark from the student, -1. You both immediately fell in my trap. Once you check, really there is no force perpendicular to the surface. Check it once. Sir, I am not finding any force perpendicular to the surface towards the surface, sir. Yeah, really. Check it once. What will be the direction of weight? It's so simple, sir. Vertically downwards. Very good. That's good. Yeah, good. And how much is this? That is simple. In the question only he gives us that is 200. Nice. If possible, suppose normal reaction. Amok. Once again think. Now I okay. Amok, how much you took the angle of inclination? 60 or 30? Even Lakshmi Gayatri also you took the angle of inclination, how much? 60. Then okay, you took that angle. Right. Then okay, your answer is correct. I typed okay. Then it is okay. Your answer means you are saying that that is sine 60. If your answer is sine 60, Tanisha, correct. Yes. Even though she took some time, she put the correct answer. Good. Yeah. If you took it is 30, then your answer is also correct, Mr. Ramovi. Yeah. Now you are right. Now you are right. Lakshmi Gayatri, I think in resolving that weight, you did some small mistake, I feel. If possible, if there is some normal reaction, if so, it would have been acting on the body in this direction, perpendicular to the surface. This is second point actually. Okay. If there is some external force like this, if there is, so coming to here, if there is some force towards the surface like this, then normal reaction will act perpendicular. So I am seeing practically no force in that direction. But using our physics, whatever the 200, I can resolve it into two components. One along the green line, other along this black line. This is called as resolving a vector into two components. I think you know this in vectors chapter. Okay, but only thing is how much is this angle? How much is this angle, Nana? If it is 60, 30. If it is 60, it is 90. It is 90 means that should be, this angle should be 30 degrees and that angle should be 60 degrees now in this right angle triangle. Am I right, Nana? Am I correct here? Quickly, the time is running out. Yes, yes, yes. So straight away, I am taking here, since it is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. 60 degrees means theta. Yes. Now this 200, who is equal to mg, resolve it into two components. Mg, theta, adjacent side. So green line should be mg cos theta and black line should be mg sin theta. Okay. Yes, unfortunately, even though there is no external force, the weight of a body is creating some force perpendicular to the surface towards the blue line, towards the surface. That's why there should be some normal reaction. Now you understood, Nana? Here in this case, normal reaction is not equal to 0. That implies solution n is equals to in opposite direction. Mg cos theta I'm getting. Mg is 200. Cos theta is 60 degrees. Yes, yes. Good. And that is equals to 200 into cos 60 is half. That is equals to 100 newtons. Okay, this is just like one trap. Okay, one question. So, any doubt in this one, Nana? In this concept today, what I explained? Good. So keep in mind for tomorrow's class, on a horizontal surface, if a block is placed above, not below like roof, yeah, above, n is equals to mg. And on the inclined surface of angle of inclination theta, if a block is placed, then n is equals to mg cos theta. Okay. Unlock your brain and put these 2 points in the brain and immediately lock the brain. Okay, means indirectly I'm saying store these 2 points in your brain. So if I ask, will you say tomorrow? Okay, right. I think you locked after story. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, right, Nana. I will stop the class now. We will meet again tomorrow. Okay, if you want the pages, you can take. This is the first page. Yes. Okay, right. Good. Good, Sri Vidya. Yeah. right? Second one. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Deepali. And this is the third page. Okay, bye.